Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to program an AT51 microcontroller using any program. Well, I'm using miniPro programmer and Keil. So first of all, I want to simulate a small project in multisim to observe the behavior, and then I will try that project on a real board. Okay, let's do a project in multisim. Let's call it test. I'm using C language and the code. Okay, so AT51 I got, and let's use I need power, so it's 5 volt and ground. Remember, in multisim we can ignore connecting crystal oscillator, connecting the EA pin to 5 volts and so on. Okay, it's a lot easier in multisim. And I will need an LED. I can use a probe. Okay, let's use a red or blue. Anyway, let's use the red one. And let's connect this to pin number. So this is port 2, bit 0. Okay, the code will be I'm using in multisim is the HTC compiler. Okay, so integer x and this is the main. Okay, not here. Wait. Yeah, it's a lot different when we move from one compiler to another. Okay, so port 2 is all one. Let's put some delay, small delay, and because this is simulation, this is not a real time, so it's already slow. That's why I'm putting a small number. In the real program, I'm going to put quite a big number. I'm not using timers, so it's just a delay. It's not like an accurate delay like a second or 2 seconds or some delay. So okay, so what I'm doing, I'm blinking all pins from port 2. Okay. So what I'll do, I will right click and build. No errors. Okay, so coming back, I've already everything connected. This light should blink as I simulate. Okay, let's blink it. Okay, so this is what I expect to see in my real circuit, the one which I'm going to try in a bit. So what I'm going to do, I will do the same program basically with slight changes. I will do the same program in Keil. So for that, first of all, what you need is you need to download Keil. Okay, I got Keil micro version 5 from the Keil website, and there. Okay, so go to Keil website, download Keil, which says C51, the C51 version of Keil. Okay. So after you install it and everything, then what we need to do is go to File, go to New Project here, New micro version project, and save it. Okay, save it with, let's say I'm saving it with the name test. And in micro, over here I have to select my microcontroller. Okay, so I will select microchip 8. I'm using 8189C5. What's that? It's, let me check. It's 89C52. Okay. So 8389C52. There. Okay. That's the one I'm going to use. And yeah, that's it. Okay. Click OK. And okay. Yes, do that. No problem. Okay, then what I need to go to File and New. Okay, so that's my area for my code. Okay. Save this as with extension C. Okay, like I will test it as test.c. Okay, and now what you need is yeah, just write your code. Okay, so I will copy the code I had for. Oh, actually, I had already copied. Oops. Control C. Okay, so I'll just put the code here. What I'm going to do is I will change the header to not it, reg51.c .h. Okay. And the rest of the code will remain the same. Okay, this number for delay, the numbers that I used for delay, I'm gonna change them to, instead of 100, let's say 40,000. Yeah, that should be enough. 40,000. Okay, which should be noticeable display. Okay. So what else? Now from what is that? Wait. Okay, I closed everything. I just need the project window here. Okay, the books, everything I closed. So I just keep the project window. Now what I need to do is, in the project window, I just go to source. Okay, I need this program to be included in source group. Okay, so I'll go to source. I'll right click and it says add existing files to this source. So I will add my test. Okay, and that's it. So after doing that, what I need to do is I will right click on target. So I will go to target and go to options. Select the, for example, the crystal oscillator I'm using is 12 megahertz, so I'll make it 12, and or I mean 11.05, depending on which one you have. Okay, and then the next thing is I'm gonna, for the output, I need a hex file. Okay, this is the hex file. This is the file that I'm going to program in my microcontroller. Okay, so I need a hex file. So I'll keep this, and okay, no need to change anything else. And then right click on target and build target. So 0 errors, 0 warnings, hex file is created. So okay, so I got this. Let's go to my miniPro. It's the one I bought from Amazon long time ago. Okay, so I will go to, I know my address for the hex file here. Okay. From targets, when you check options, you'll know where the hex file is being created and by Keil. So I will take the hex file, and okay, from here I've already chosen my IC, the 8189C52. And there's some options. Just go to programming chip. Okay, so it automatically do the erasing, the blank check, and everything. Okay, so I'm showing you, here's the setup which I have, the miniPro programmer which I bought, the microcontroller 89C52, and I'll put it here and program this erasing chip. Programming, and done. That's it. Okay, so my microcontroller is ready, it's programmed. Now I'm gonna put it in a circuit and connect an LED, and then we'll see. Okay, so I got a breadboard and the IC that I just programmed. So I'll just put it, let's put it here. And I got I got two ceramic capacitors, okay, of 30 nanofarad. Okay, and I have a crystal oscillator of, I need more space, so I'll just move it a little bit. Where's the oscillator? Here. Okay, so I have my crystal oscillator, okay, through ceramic capacitors, and they will go to ground. Okay, so this blue line is it's going to be my ground. And port 2, so I can connect my LEDs, or I can connect 8 LEDs to any pin on port 2. So here's port 2, and there we go. Okay, and for power supply I need a small cable. Okay, here's a cable. I got a cable, number 40 is power supply, and I need an extra. Okay, I got a cable here. I need to short pin number 31, okay, the EA pin. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This should be pin number 31. Okay, this will also go to 5 volts. So I have my microcontroller programmed. The wiring is done. I'm using my Arduino for let's put in the camera. I don't have a power supply, so I'm using my Arduino board to take 5 volts and ground, and I have pin number 40 and 31 connected to VCC. 31 because we are using the internal ROM, not an external ROM. Okay, so the EA pin need to be 5 volts. The reset, I'm using it without a capacitor, but it's working, so it's better to use a capacitor. Okay, and ground it through switch. The LED I can connect it to any pin on port 2, and because I have the entire port 2 on blinking. Okay. So that's how we program a microcontroller using the miniPro programmer.